Hello and welcome to Spoonful of Simplicity English. Today we are going to talk about my new Agaro 4-in-1 multifunctional blender. We are going to unbox it and also briefly discuss the features that I liked in this. So, foremost, it came in this packaging from Amazon and no fancy packaging, looks good. Let's see what all does it have inside. On the box, it reads its name. It's from the brand Agaro. It's a hand blender and chopper, 1000 watts, 2 years warranty, and it has three main functions that it can do and four attachments that I should be able to find inside this box. So let's begin with opening the box. There is a sellotape there which I need to cut, and if you bear with me for a second, I should be able to open this in no time. Okay, I've been able to unlock it. Now, the inside looks good. It looks like it has been packaged well, and we're going to pull out one by one these contents that I can see. So let me pull out the very first box that I see. Okay, this is not a box, just a packaging, and let me open it. There is a bubble wrap on the contents, which is good, which means it has been packaged really well. So this is the blender, the actual blender attachment, made of stainless steel, which is something that I'm very charmed with. It will make it easier for me to clean this, and it has four blades, so which is also great. Now let me move on to the next content that I see here, and looking at the wire, it looks like the main machine attachment. So again, this is packaged in a bubble wrap, which is good. And when I open it, this also has a nice charm to it. There's black and silver, which looks good. This is where we will have to insert all the attachments like this. Yeah, so it is fastened well and it can come out easily. These are the two speed buttons, and oh yeah, you can adjust the speed. So there are around 8 speed settings here, and it has a 2-pin plug, okay, it has been a concern, but that's fine. This is an instruction manual, and the warranty details can be filled in here. And yeah, this is like, okay, there's another page. So not very many instructions, short and sweet, 4-page manual with the last page containing the other products. And then there's this warranty card, I think. Is it? Yeah, there's a warranty card from Agaro, so we've got that. And now let's move on to the other stuff that's inside the box. So there is, okay, this is a partition. Now when I remove it, I see two boxes. So I'm pulling out the first one, which is okay, this looks like the blender jar, and let's open it and see what all is inside. Very first thing to reveal is the whipping attachment, which I'm very glad. So this is the balloon whip, and this should go inside the machine. So let's see if that's what goes in. So no, I think there should be something else, because it looks different from what should go inside this. There's a different kind of thing. So let's see if there's anything else. So okay, this is something that I believe is where the whipping balloon attachment should go in, and this should go inside that. So let's see. So this is where my whipping balloon attachment will get fit. This is how I seal it, and this part will go on the machine. So like this. Okay, now this makes sense. So this is the assembly for the balloon whip. And okay, let's move on to the next thing, that is the jar. Now in most hand blenders you don't get this jar, and mostly this jar comes in really handy if you have to whip something or blend something. And because this is according to the size of your hand blender, made of acrylic or plastic, I'm not too sure, but yeah, that's what it is. And there are also measurement markings on this. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me bring the camera close. I'm sorry if you can't see it, but there are measurement markings on this. No, not much help. So there's measurement markings on this. And now let me move on to the next thing in the box, which is the last thing. And as I pull it out, there's only chopper left, so I'm assuming it's going to be the chopper. And yeah, this is the chopper, again packaged well. I must say the packaging is impressive, and the box was completely the size, so everything has come in intact and unhurt or undamaged at all. So let's open this now. I can already see that it is a good capacity jar, and easily I could twist and open it. Now yeah, I can. These are the two blades and they look very sharp, so I'm going to be careful with it. And this goes in, and in goes the top part of this. Now like I said, it looks like a good capacity jar, which will make my chopping needs really easy to manage. And it has this transparent look, so I can also see what's going on inside. And this machine will go in here, and that should make my chopping needs really easy peasy. Yeah. All right, so that's the new Agaro hand blender that I bought for you. Remember, this is not a sponsored video. I'm only sharing the details of the new gadget that I got for you. It has a 2-pin plug, and these are the 4 attachments that I got with the machine. It can blend, chop, and whip easily, and I'm hoping to have a better experience with my blending chopping needs in future. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like my video, do hit the like button, and let me know in comment section if there's any more information that you'd like to know about this. If you haven't subscribed to my video, this is the right time for you to subscribe, and also share this video with anybody that you think might benefit from this. The last thing that I would like to mention is that this comes in steel and black combination, which looks good. Signing off for now. Do take very good care. Thank you. Bye bye.